Hi, I am Gina Marie with Morgan Properties, coming to show you Warwick Terrace apartment homes in Somerdale, New Jersey. Across the street we have Rick's Farm, Dunkin' Donuts, and also the shopping plaza with Rite Aid and other convenience stores. I will now take you into the one-bedroom apartment home that we have available. This is our one-bedroom upgraded apartment home. Outside you will have your mailbox, which is directly to you. Also, the glass door will stay locked at all times, and only you will have a key to access them. Welcome home to your one-bedroom apartment. This is located on the first floor. When you walk in, if you are downstairs, you will have a foyer with a coat closet off to the side. If you are upstairs, you would go directly into the living room, and that will be here. So in your living room, if you are downstairs, you will have a back sliding glass door which leads to outside of the area. Outside. We do have dog stations set up for all of our residents and pets. Inside, in your kitchen, you will have a small nook area which you can put a breakfast bar or a small table in there. Also in the upgraded, you would have a stackable washer and dryer, and then along with your microwave, dishwasher, garbage disposal, refrigerator. And then off to the side, we have your bathroom along with the linen closet behind the door. And the apartments are already Comcast ready with wires. In your bedroom, you will have a nice spacious closet off to the side. And that is about it. So for amenities, you are more than welcome to use Burt Mill Amenities, which is located at 250 South Burt Mill Road. And that concludes our tour. We are also minutes away from Coopertown Plaza, where we have Walmart, and then also fine dining and entertainment, a local gym, and also the Cinemark movie theater. Welcome to our leasing office. This is where you can enjoy the many amenities that we have to offer you as a Warwick Terrace resident. You would also come here to fill out the application and provide documents, sign lease, and collect your keys for move-in.